So we're going to start with this right here. So we're going to start with this one over here. So what day is it today? What day is it today?
Monday.
So today is Monday, and my marker hates me. Today is Monday. Your first one. What month are we in? What month are we in? Anayeli? Oh.
September.
Can you give me a complete sentence? I think I heard it. I heard it, Adriana. Anayeli, do you want to help her out? No? So what month are we in? What month? Month. Not the day, but month.
September.
September. So can you give me a complete sentence? No? Okay, let me help you out. So, how about we are in, there we go, September. So we are in September, okay? Yeah. Yes? Let's do the third one. So what year is it? Mm-hmm.
1219.
So I heard it is 1219. Is this the year?
No.
Wait, what year? What year are we in? Okay. Okay, there we go. 2019. And there's, so you said 2019, there's another way that we can say it. Mm-hmm. So if we group these two up, and we group this one, 2019. Okay? So your first choice, 2019. Your second choice, Adriana, can you say the second choice?
2019.
There you go. Your second choice is 2019. Now, we're going to focus on what's today's date. What's today's date?
Date.
So when I say date, I want everything.
9.
It is the 29. 9? Sorry. Oh, 9?
9.
Mm-hmm.
September 9.
Mm-hmm. Can you give me, well,
21.
so 9. What's the date? 23. And then, what do we put right here? 2019. So to make it short, we can just say, and we can just say 19. So this is your date. Okay? So your date is 09/23/19. Okay? So, I feel like I'm gonna move this chair everywhere. Okay. So now we're gonna go over the homework that we did. But first, if you want to write this, you can write this. I'll let you write it. So I have time. There's a lot of time. Oh, I'm in your way. Sorry. I'm gonna fix this video later. I'll put it. Are you ready? Okay. So, now we're gonna go over the homework. So, in your books, it is page 10, and it was this bottom half, okay? This bottom half was your homework. But no, you're okay. Okay? So, I will do this one right here. I'll do part A. Jennifer is going to come up and do part B. And then we're going to have one by one give us the answer. Okay? So, number 2A, it says blank, they from Somalia. So this is a question. And because it says they, we know that it is. Are they from Somalia? And Jennifer's going to come up and do the second part.
Okay. So this is the response or how they're going to answer to the first one. So the first one is, are they from Somalia? So yes.
Yes.
And who are they talking about?
They.
They are. Correct. Yes, they are.
So now I'm going to pick Anayeli. Can you come up and do these two? Anayeli. Come up. I'm going to have you write it. Yes, we're going to write.
That one's dying out.
So it'll be 3A. So it says East. That's what you're saying. East. So it says, is she from Russia?
Yes.
Yes.
She is.
There we go. Yes, she is.
There we go.
One quick point that I want to make sure. We're starting, this is the first word of the entire sentence. So we have to make sure that this word, or this letter right here, is capitalized, okay? It has to be a capital I, okay? There you go. So, is she from Russia? Yes, she is. So she right here, she is, okay? Adriana, I'll have you do number 4.
From Mexico.
Is he from Mexico? There we go. Now, when we say the I,
I'm sorry.
we have to make sure that there is another line right here. So 2 lines. But it's fine. You did good. So, is he from Mexico? He, it's talking about he. Yes, he is. Okay? Number 5. Maria, can you come up and do number 5, please? Sorry. You'll do number 5.
She's from China.
China.
Is she from China? No. No.
So remember, is she from China? No, we're talking about she. So let me give you the eraser. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, so see that? We'll go over it right now. So let me do this. It is close. It's very close. So, is she from China? No. She. You can either say is not, or you can make it shorter and conjugate it, so that way it's isn't. So remember, is not is the same thing as isn't. Okay? So is not, isn't. You were very, very close. She isn't. Okay? No. Do you want to? Yeah, read this. So you're gonna do number 6. Are they from Brazil? And there we go. Okay. So A says, are they from Brazil? Your answer is no, they aren't. Just remember that this isn't the first word in a sentence, so it has to be lowercase, not capitalized. It has to be lowercase. But this is good. Noah, do you want to come and try? You don't have to if you don't want to. Do you want to come and try? Not yet? Or do you want to? You want to? You can if you want. So number 7. Okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's good. You're very, very close. So, part A says, is he from Ecuador? Remember, this is the first word, so we have to capitalize it. A capital I, okay? For your answer, no, he isn't. So, this one right here, you're very, very close. Just that we don't put this apostrophe right here in between is and not, or in between the S and the N. We put it right here in between the N and the T. It's like this. Your apostrophe is right here. Okay? But good job. Anayeli, do you want to come and do number 8?
Are you from? Yes, I am.
Yep. Good job. So the question is, are you from South Korea? The answer is yes. Oh. So yes, I'm. Remember that if we're just ending with I am, we don't make it short. So we actually have to make it the long way. So it can't be conjugated. So it's supposed to be yes, I am. Okay? So, real quick. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to say part A, and you together will say part B. So you'll give me the answer, okay? Are you ready? Ready? Okay. So, 2A. Are they from Somalia?
Yes, they are.
3A. Is she from Russia?
Yes, she is.
4A. Is he from Mexico?
Yes, she is.
Oh, I heard she. He. Remember, It says he in the question, so we have to say he in the answer, okay? So let's do that one more time. So 4A. Is he from Mexico?
Yes.
There we go. 5A. Is she from China?
No.
Yeah, so you can say is not or isn't. 6A. Are they from Brazil?
No, they are.
7A. Is he from Ecuador?
No, he is not.
8A. Are you from South Korea?
Yes, I am.
There we go. Yes, I am. Okay. Real quick, I'm going to give you a chart. We kind of went over it last week, but we're going to go over it again. So, when we're asked yes or no questions, the way we say these questions, we start with am, are, or is. So if we say am, that means your subject is I. So am I? If you're starting with are, you can say are you? Are we? Are they? And if you're starting with is, you can say is he? Is she? That's weird. The last one. Is it? That's weird. Now that I think about it. But you can't say it that way. Is it? Okay? So I'm going to keep it there in case y'all want to read it. Okay. Can I move it? Okay, I'll move it just a little higher. Very good. Very good? Okay. So now we're going to focus on when you say yes for your answer. So, my little paper. You say, yes, you are. Okay? Yes, we are. Yes, they are. Okay? So that was if they're asking, are you? You would say, oh, wait, sorry. You say, are you? You would respond with, yes, I am. Okay? If you're asking, are we? Yes, we are. Okay? If they're asking, are they? your response, your answer would be yes, they are. Okay? Mm-hmm. So let's do is. So if they're asking, is he? Your answer would be yes, he is. Okay? If they say, is she? Your answer is yes, she is. If you're asking, is it? Your answer is yes, it is. Okay? And these are the yes. I'll go over the notes in a second. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. So, now we're going to focus on the no answer. My homemade stuff. We say no. Okay? So, again, if they ask, let's do this. Are you? Your response for no would be no. What am I missing?
No.
It says I'm not, but I'm missing one more thing.
I'm not.
There we go. Did that as a pop quiz, just to see if I was paying attention. They were. So no, I am not. Right here, because you have another word right here, then you can shorten it and you can say no, I'm not. But only right here. If you don't have anything right here, you have to say I am. So no, I am. Well, and no, you don't say. I'm confusing myself right now. No, I am not. But if you're answering yes, you have to say I am. Okay? And if you ask, are we ... Your response is no, we aren't. That's right. If you're asking, are they ... Your response is no,
They aren't.
no, they aren't. If you ask, is he? Your response is no, he.
is.
No.
What do you say?
No. He is not.
There we go.
That's a yes.
Sorry. Oh, there it is. No, he isn't.
Yeah.
I was like, why did I do that? What? It was weird. I saw it. I was like, this is weird. Anyway, so no, he isn't. If I ask, is she? Your answer is
No. She is not.
There we go. If I ask, is it? Your answer is
No, it is not. Is not.
no, it is not, or no, it isn't. You can say either thing. So, you want to copy these down real quick? Okay. And while you're doing that, we can start passing these out. What is it? Do you want to pass one?
One to each.
They can pick whatever they want. Just one. Only one. Pick one. And then those two will do. So, if you can turn to page 12. Page 12. Page 12. Probably do it for both of them. Because I'm going to edit it and there's going to be a lot of time where I don't think it'll get to 30 minutes. So it'll be fine if I do it. But anyway, so page 12. Turn to page 12 and we're going to look at two, right here where it says 2. And it says read. Okay? So we're going to look at this part. Okay? So for now, I just want you to listen to me. Okay? Just listen to me. Do you have yours, Noelle? Do you need a copy? Do you need a copy? Okay, I have a copy. We're looking at number 2. So, right here where it says 2. Right here. Right here. So, it says read. Read. Below it says listen and read. Right here, this is what we call the title. So what's in blue? Oh, we can see it. But right here, it's in blue. This is blue. So what you see in blue, that's the title. Okay? So the title says, a new student. Let me see how to pronounce his name. Okay, this is an interesting name. So, it says, Svetlana Kulik is a new student. So just listen to me. Just listen to me, okay? She is from Russia. Now, she lives in Napa, California. Her address is 1041 Main Street. Her zip code is 94558. Her area code is 707. Her telephone number is 555-9073. Okay? So, if you look at this top part right here, what does this say?
Registration form.
So this is a registration form. Registration form. At the top, it asks for the name. So what's her name?
Svetlana Kiri.
Svetlana. Quick. The second one says phone. So it's asking for her phone number. So what's her area code?
707.
Her area code is 707. What's her telephone number?
555-907-673.
What's her address?
Main Street. Napa, California. 94558.
Okay. What's the city? What city does she live in? Oh, Napa. Napa is the city. Yes. So whenever you see an address, the city comes before the state. So Napa is a city. Napa is a city. What's the state? There we go. California is a state. Okay? What state do we live in? What state do we live in?
Texas.
There we go. Texas is our state.
Texas.
What city do we live in?
Dallas.
Okay. Let me see. What city are we in right now? Yes, so we're in Arlington. Okay? What's the zip code?
94558.
So your zip code is 94558. It goes after the state. Okay? So here's what we're going to do real quick. First of all, do we remember which one is right and which one is left? What side is this? This is your left side. So left, remember you see the L. And this is your right side. So left, right. Left, right. What side is this? Left, right. So again, if you hold up your hands, You see the L right here. There's an L right here. This is your left. Because it starts with the letter L. So you see the L. There we go. Left, right. Okay? So, this is our registration form. But we're not going to do it with the information that we see in your packet. We're going to do it with this information. Okay? So, each one of you had a little piece of paper, right? We're going to focus on the paper that has the lines. Okay? So it should be, you should have pink writing. You see pink writing, okay? Where are the others? So, take your pick. Okay, come here. So, I have phone number. Phone number. This one is mine. Jennifer has
First name.
Jennifer has first name. Uba, what do you have?
A simple.
Zip code. Noe, what do you have? Gender. Gender. So say gender. Gender. Nunu, what do you have?
Last name.
Okay. Maria? Address. Adriana? Middle name. Oh, middle initial. Middle initial. Anayeli, what do you have? Zip code. The pink? You have zip code? What do you have? Oh, you have city.
I have simple.
Oh, but we're looking at the one with the pink. Pink.
Pink?
sorry.
Pink. So you have city and then you have state. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. whatever is, so whatever is pink, this is what we're going to focus for our registration form, okay? So we will each come up and write what we're supposed to write, okay? So, we're going to read this. Anayeli, can you read this for me, please? Just read a sentence. So just read a sentence. We'll have everyone read a sentence right now. So just read the first sentence. So read this part right here.
Junki
Mm-hmm.
is a new student.
Mm-hmm. Yuna Kim is a new student. Adriana, can you read the second one?
She is from South Korea.
Mm-hmm. She is from South Korea. Maria, can you read the third one?
She
Now
now
lives
live in Arlington, Texas.
Texas. So she now lives in Arlington, Texas. Noe, can you read the fourth one?
Address
Mm-hmm.
is 9597 is Crazy Road.
Mm-hmm. So her address is 9597 Skating Road. Uba, can you read the next sentence?
Her zip code
Mm-hmm.
is 70120.
Mm-hmm. So it says her zip code is 70120. Anayeli, can you read the next one?
Her area
Code.
code is A13.
Mm-hmm. Her area code is 813. Adriana, can you read the final sentence?
Her telephone number
Mm-hmm.
is 435-0217.
Yes. Okay, so this is our registration form and it asks us for the first name. So who has first name? Okay, so then Jennifer will go first. So what's her first name?
Her first name is Yuna.
Yes. So that's her first name. Not yet, not yet. Oh, no, do you have last name?
Okay.
Okay, so come up and you're going to write it. So her last name is Kim. Mm-hmm. Who has address? Maria, is that you? Okay. So her address is uh-huh.
Seven.
Mm-hmm.